All right, cool. Organic is actually fairly straightforward. We're going to evaluate our competition, and we're going to size things the same way we did with local. Obviously, your competitive evaluation is going to be different from local, right? That's a whole different algorithm. We're looking at things differently. Again, you're picking a couple of topics to focus on. Don't dilute it too much. In this case, instead of services and stuff like that, we're linking to content. We're linking to case studies, lead magnets, that sort of thing. Each one of those, whether it's a pillar post or a case study or a lead magnet, that's your foundational, that's your target for a PR stack. So you're not linking to the homepage, you're linking to that case study, you're linking to that opt-in page that's going to give somebody the lead magnet, that sort of thing. Include a little bit more social links than you might otherwise do, and focus very heavily on branding, branding especially, because organic is very brand heavy. So the better you can establish that brand, the better you're going to do in organic search in general. And then don't be shy with CTR for this stuff, whether it's your pillars, your case studies, or especially your lead magnets where you're opting in. We want to show those some love, and some of the best ways to do that is through CTR manipulation, whether we like it or not. It works really, really well. So that's the overall strategy that we're going to use for organic. So again, it's very similar to the local stuff. You can use all the same structures and strategies. It's just what you're pointing to is going to be different.